Hello everyone, in this project we will be extracting and visualizing stock data of Tesla and GameStop and comparing them. So first we will install the required libraries, then we will import the libraries of Binance Pandas request which are required, and a beautiful soup which is required for web scraping, and Plotly for plotting the graphs. First we'll make the make graph function which will which will take in the stock data, revenue data and stock, and present us with a beautiful graph which will represent the stock data, revenue data, and then we can compare both of the stocks. So first we will use the ticker function from Binance library, and we will extract stock data for Tesla. So here we are having the Tesla stock data for maximum period, and then we are having its head, means the first 5 rows of the Tesla data to check the required columns. Then we are using web scraping to extract Tesla revenue data. This is the URL, and we are using web scraping using this beautiful soup library like this, and then we are extracting Tesla revenue for every table row. Yeah, uh, so here we have scraped the data into a data frame called Tesla revenue. Okay, so here we have replaced a comma and $sign with a space, and then we are dropping the rows having none values, and we'll check the tail or the head value for checking the data, revenue data. Similarly, we are doing the same process for GameStop, which has a code of this GME, and we are extracting GameStop stock data using this having a period maximum. And then we are using web scraping to extract GME revenue data like this. Okay, so we have got everything we want. Now we can plot using this make graph function, which will take Tesla data and Tesla revenue, and the stock name, which is Tesla. So here we have, this is the graph which represent the Tesla historical share price in US dollars. You can see that it has increased a lot in the recent years, because it is gaining popularity in the recent years now. And this is the revenue model. uh, Revenue has gone up since the last few years. This is the GameStop data for the same, and we can see a sudden spike here, nearing Feb 2021 or January 2021. It had a stock price of nearly 1.5 US dollars up to December 2020, and it reached $81 in Jan 2021 because of some meme explosion, or some it was a big news in the USA, so it gained popularity and suddenly reached the highest peak of the stock price. But revenue has remained almost same somewhat, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, so revenue has been the same through all these years. So yeah, this was the analysis for GameStop. So thank you everyone for tuning in, and thank you for watching.